Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my winter skin routine and a lot of you have been requesting for it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, first up I'm gonna just remove the hair from my face so that I don't mess up my hair and I don't get any product on my hair. Okay guys, so it is winter, so my skin is super dry. I have combination skin, so it just depends on what month I'm in and what time of the year it is. So you guys really wanted to see how I do my skin routine, so not everything will be what you guys want or need for your skin type. So this is just stuff that work for me personally. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do on a regular basis. Okay, so first up, what I love doing, I love using masks. Now masks are extremely good for your skin. It just depends what type of mask, what it's going to do for your skin, what it's going to do for your pores. I personally like a mattifying mask, something that's going to make my skin look smooth and healthy. So the one I'm using now, it's by the Epoch range by New Skin. It basically works with a distributor, so you get your products via a distributor. You can't really go online. Well, you can, but I think it's more expensive that way. So you go through a distributor, and I will leave a few links in the description where you guys can purchase this. Okay guys, so normally I would just use my finger to apply the mask. I feel it's way better this way than using a brush. You guys can use a brush, whatever you feel like, but I feel like my finger doesn't really soak up most of the product, which I like. So as you guys can see, the mask is drying up. I just wanted to talk about what this mud mask does for the skin. So what this mud mask does is it releases all of the impurities and the dirt from your skin. It unclogs your pores. It makes your skin look smooth and supple. It also reduces the appearance of large pores, which I really love. It tightens up the skin, so it's good for wrinkles as well. It is also really good for lightening dark marks and for acne prone skin. I know I have seen so many reviews online in terms of acne, and I've seen like the before and after photos of the acne patients, and it really has helped them a lot. So all I'm going to do now is wait for it to completely dry, and then I'm going to wash my face with warm water. Okay guys, so I just washed my face and I used warm water whilst doing that. Next I'm going to be using the trusty scrub that I just made. So you guys, there's my scrub that I just made. Make sure you mix it again before you use it. Sometimes the products can separate from each other, so make sure you give it a good mix. Okay, once it's nice and mixed up, then you can start applying it to your face. So my skin is still wet. This will just allow the product to move more smoothly around your face. So I'm not applying too much, just a little to the different areas of my face, and then I will gently spread it out. This is extremely good for men, especially with like the hair on their face and you know all of the stubble and all of that. It will really help with the hair growth and all of that. So yeah, I'm gently rubbing it into my skin, and this motion is gonna allow the sugar to really get into your skin and really take out all of that dead skin and remove all of that impurities. So just be gentle whilst doing this step guys, because sugar is a little bit aggressive, so just be gentle. Don't hurt your skin. We don't want to hurt or bruise our skin whilst doing this step. I apply it to my lips as well because it's going to really make your lips look smooth, and it's going to take out all of the dry skin. Okay guys, when coming around your eye, remember that the skin around your eye is very thin and you don't want to pull on your skin. Okay guys, so honey is a natural antibacterial. It's good for acne treatment, it's good for lightening skin, it's good for smoothing out your skin. It's so good for moisturizing your skin, and it's also very tasty. Turmeric is also really good for your skin. It's good for acne prone skin, so it reduces acne a lot. It's good to brighten up your skin, and it removes dark marks, dark areas. It's also an anti-inflammatory. It reduces skin inflammation, so it really has all of these good things in it. Sugar can also lighten and soften your skin in just a few minutes. Now I'm just gonna let this settle in my face for about a minute, and then I'm going to wash it out with warm water. And now that I washed out my face, I used warm water. So I use this twice every week. It's not nice to use it every day because you don't want to hurt your skin. So you want to use an exfoliator that is a little bit softer and more gentle for the skin. So I use this one twice every week. And then next I'm going to show you guys what I use every day. This is an exfoliator that I absolutely love. I use it every morning, every evening. It's by Soft Touch. So this exfoliator comes in different types. It comes with aloe and cucumber. There's a strawberry and yogurt, I think it was, and I absolutely love the strawberry and yogurt. It was so good, very refreshing and very smooth for my skin. This one is the turmeric and sandalwood, and I've been using it for so long. As you guys can see, it's already empty. I have just a little bit more left. So yeah, it's really, really good. It makes my skin look smooth, supple, and really, really refreshed. It really helps with my pores as well, and helps to clean out my pores. So I use this every day, morning and night, and this is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just use a little bit I just take a little bit and then I just apply it to my face. So I apply it to wet skin. This way the product can really move around easily. And then I do the exact same thing. I just work it into my skin in these circular motions. And it's so much more softer and more gentle for my skin compared to the sugar scrub. But I do really recommend the sugar scrub, especially for blackheads. Blackheads are so stubborn to remove. It's really annoying, especially on the nose. So use a more gentle scrub for every day, and the sugar one is excellent for at least twice a week. So now I'm going to use some warm water and rinse out my face, and I'll see you guys in a second. Guys, so I just rinsed my face. My face is still wet at the moment. So the next thing I'm going to do is wash my face with a face wash. The current one I'm using is by Pond's, and this is the Lasting Oil Control face wash. Yeah, so this is going to help with keeping your face shine free. And you guys, this is just what I'm using currently. I honestly use so many different types of face washes. Yeah, I just applied a little bit, and then I'm just gonna work this into my skin. You guys, my face already feels so smooth and so good. I love when I do my full face routine, like when I use the scrub and everything together. This feels so good. Feels so lovely. Okay, so anyway, getting back to the point. The types of face washes I use are like Clean and Clear, and I love the Pond's range. It really helped me with all types of things. So I feel like Pond's really mattifies the face. So I like the Pond's face wash and the Pond's cream. I tried a lot of things, but I always find myself coming back to Pond's because it makes my skin feel matte and feel like really nice. Tell me in the comment section below what type of products you guys use. I know I really want to try something new. I know Shamel, hey babes, Shamel told me about the Glam Glow. I really want to try Glam Glow and all of these new nice products. So yeah guys, I'm looking for a new skin routine, and I think I've been using these home remedies for a while. Like when I say a while, I mean like years. I'm really approaching new types of products, new types of things for my skin, and hopefully soon you guys will see a whole lot of new stuff that I will be putting up in terms of like skincare, body care, all of those things. Okay, yeah, so anyway, this just dried up in my face. I'm just gonna wash it out right now, and then hopefully the foam will come back up. See you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I just washed my face with cold water. Now the last step, you have to wash your face with cold water because now your pores are gonna need to be closed because you don't want any bacteria getting in there. So cold water will close up your pores. Okay, so now I feel like I had a wet face for the longest time. So now I'm just gonna wipe my face. Now you guys, I have to tell you what I've been doing for so long. Every time I would wash my face or have a bath or anything, I would just like take the towel and rub my face, which is the complete opposite of what you're supposed to do. What you're supposed to do is just dab your face very gently, like this. Yeah, so what I've been doing for the longest time was I would just rub my face, and that's so bad for your skin because pulling your skin is not good. It's not good for the long run because your skin is basically like elastic. If you keep stretching and pulling it, it is going to lose the elasticity and your skin is going to look dull, wrinkly, and you're gonna age faster, girl. So just don't do it. So the cream that I'm currently using is by Pond's, and I will leave a picture right here. It just finished, so I need to get a new one. So it is winter and my skin gets really dry. So at night, what I love using is my coconut oil. This is the cooking oil, and the reason I use this one is because it is odorless and it does not feel very oily on my skin. I don't apply too much, just a little. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is how little I apply. Okay, so I know all of you guys were like really excited and wanted me to share more about it. So I only use this at night. Now the reason I use it at night is because during the day, if you're out in the sun, it's not going to be good for your skin because it is oil and you don't want it burning your skin. So I just applied it on this one side of my face, and you guys, can you see it literally just went into the skin? Like, can you guys see that? There's no residue. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm saying, but this oil has done wonders for my skin. I've had so many people tell me that my skin looks so glowy, so beautiful in the winter. How is it possible? But you guys, coconut oil has really helped me a lot. Now I will say that the normal coconut oil is very oily compared to this one, so I don't know if it's going to do the same thing for you if you're going to be using the normal original coconut oil, but I don't know if it has the same effect. But yeah, this tub here has so many uses. I use it throughout my body, and you guys, it makes my body feel soft and smooth, so I don't have a problem with like being dry during the winter because of that oil. So all I do is just apply it throughout my skin in the night, and it's very thin. It doesn't feel thick. It's not like super oily where I'm like, you know, where I feel there's a ton of oil on my face. As I said, it just depends on your skin type. So if you have oily skin, I don't suggest you guys doing this, but this is what I do at night. You guys, I can't emphasize the fact that I do this at night, not during the day. Okay, so If I do it during the day, it's because I'm at home and I'm indoors. Now, if you guys are doing it during the day, please stay indoors. Don't be exposed to the sun because it is going to burn your skin. Now, another thing I love to do in the summertime is use my Body Shop Vitamin E toner. So this is extremely good for my skin in the summer. It's really refreshing. It's almost like a setting spray for the summer. So if my face is feeling a bit oily on the day, I will skip the cream and I'll go straight into this. My face really feels refreshed without looking oily. Okay, so yeah, you guys, this is my glowy skin. Okay, you guys can see like my skin does not look oily at all. It just looks nice and glowy. So that is my skin routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I just want to run through a few things that contribute to my skin looking good and smooth and healthy. So helping your skin look beautiful and smooth, number one has to be your intake of water. Now, I know sometimes you forget, especially if you're working constantly, you forget to drink water, or some people don't even like water. That's crazy. How are you living? Yeah. So some people don't like water, and I've heard people tell me this, like, it's crazy. But water is supposed to be your best friend because it's going to help with your digestive system, it's going to help with your skin, your hair, your face, everything. Water really helps your skin look beautiful. Number two, what I've been doing recently was I've been having the green smoothie. The smoothie has helped with so many different things. It has helped me lose a little bit of weight, it helped my skin, it helped my hair, it helped in so many different ways. Now, as you guys know, I am not a veggie fan, so my mom got me to take vegetables in my system without it tasting weird. So she made me this excellent green smoothie, and I'm going to show you guys right now. Okay guys, so I have some spinach in my bottle. I have some cucumber right here, just a few pieces. I have a kiwi fruit and an apple. Just gonna cut these two fruits and I'm gonna add it to my bottle. Okay guys, so here is my ingredients. This is my apple, cucumber, some spinach, and a kiwi. Now the main ingredients here is the kiwi and the apple. That is going to make it taste so good. So the cucumber and the spinach is obviously vegetable, so you don't really get that taste. You can add celery if you want. You can add whatever other green vegetables or fruits that you like, but this is just my go-to everyday ingredients for my shake. So the blender I'm using today is the Platinum blender. Now this is in the shape of a bottle. So this blender comes with two caps. It has one which has the blades on the inside, which rotates and blends out your smoothie. This is basically a smoothie maker. So the next cap is just an ordinary cap where you can just close up your bottle and it's super easy to go. Yeah, so basically, as you saw, this smoothie helps with so many different things in my body. It also really helped with my skin. So I did see a significant amount of change in my skin in a good way, and yeah, just your intake of how you eat and all of that will really contribute in your skin looking healthy. So my skin is nowhere near perfect. It has a long way to go. It's just a process. All you need to do is just find out the products that are going to help you, find out what your skin type is, what's going to help your skin type. It's just about learning different things. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!